The following is a list of some common goals and benefits gained by using the virtual agent. The goals that you decide to choose will have an influence on topic implementation and design. At the top, the first common or typical goal is to decrease operational cost. This is achieved by deflecting incidents that would normally be handled by the service desk through increasing self-resolution. This can be done by automating common tasks such as password resets or requesting access to a file share or installing an application. Another way to deflect incidents is through sharing knowledge. AI search can be utilized to allow users to search for solutions in the knowledge base. These are just a few examples of how self-resolution can result in the decrease of operational costs. Another typical goal is to increase customer satisfaction. The virtual agent can provide a level of 24/7 support that may not be currently available. The virtual agent can improve the quality of service and resolution times by providing information on demand, deflecting an issue, or assigning incidents to the correct supporting group. The virtual agent can capture the right information prior to either transferring to a live agent or creating a more detailed incident to improve the call handling times. Providing this kind of support to the end user goes a long way in increasing customer satisfaction. Finally, many other benefits exist, some of which are reducing errors, having more accurate records, increased productivity by reducing workloads, or overall improvement of the incident or request management process. Understanding your goals and the priority of those goals allows you to better determine the overall virtual agent topic selection and topic design to improve your chances of success in reaching your desired outcome. I will go over virtual agent conversations and how topics drive conversations. First of all, what are topics? Virtual agent topics are the blueprints that define the dialogue between the virtual agent and a user to reach the goal of fulfilling or assist in the fulfillment of a user request. Let's go over how this works. The conversation starts when a user begins a chat with a virtual agent and reports an issue or requests something. This is done through the virtual agent messaging app in the ServiceNow service portal or virtual agent integration with other third-party messaging apps such as Facebook Workplace, Slack, or Microsoft Teams. Next, the virtual agent identifies the user's intent. The virtual agent uses NLU, or natural language understanding, to determine what the user wants or his or her intent. The NLU model in use has been trained to understand statements a user might make during a conversation to predict an intent. It's often the case that more than one intent is predicted. It's a goal of training the NLU model to minimize the number of predictions. Each intent predicted is associated with a topic. A single predicted intent will automatically start the associated topic. If multiple predictions are made, then the user is presented with a list of topics to select from. Once a topic is initiated automatically, in the case when a single intent is predicted, or selected from a list by the user for multiple predictions, the topic will execute and run the defined conversation until the goal of fulfilling the user's intent with an acceptable resolution is completed, or the virtual agent assists in the fulfillment of the intent with an action performed. In summary, a user chats with a virtual agent, and based on the NLU model, the virtual agent makes a prediction of what the user wants. A topic associated with the predicted intent or intents is initiated automatically or by selection, after which the topic runs to completion with the goal of fulfilling the user's request.